very good afternoon to you, and for all livestock, not too cold a week ahead. In fact, the hard winter is still keeping away from us, and the reason, of course, is that the weather system's predominantly coming in still from the west and the southwest. Low pressure is going to be around all week, so it means certainly another changeable week ahead of us. We're going to find these weather systems rattling through fairly quickly, followed by these trough lines bringing showers or some longer periods of rain. And as you can see from those tightly packed isobars, some pretty windy weather at times, taking us right through to the very end of the week. That's the latest satellite picture, very much typifying the story for much of the week. The broken cloud indicating the showers rattling into the north and west. This thicker cloud in the southernmost counties bringing some outbreaks of rain to some areas this afternoon. I think it may not amount to very much, although there could be some heavier bursts skirting on that far Channel coast. Elsewhere it's very much a showery regime. The strong winds blowing the showers through, some heavy, thundery and wintry showers again for Scotland, Northern Ireland and the hills of the north and west. The brightest of the weather, driest the conditions over the easternmost regions of the country, and that's how the temperatures are looking this afternoon, generally about 7 to 10 degrees the best. Those fairly fresh winds, strong winds stay with us through the night, showers moving away. I think in many places clear overnight, showers back into western areas, wintry conditions persisting over the northernmost hills of Scotland, but not in general too cold a night. In fact, the week ahead is probably only going to see slight frost in sheltered eastern areas. This is how we start Monday, fairly dry and bright in eastern counties, showers in the north and west, and as we go through into the afternoon we're going to find certainly things clouding over from the southwest, rain coming into the southwestern counties, into Wales, and then continue to move eastwards through the afternoon, probably not reaching the easternmost counties there until after dusk though. Now that is going to keep us in a fairly mild day once again in the south, but as you can see still fairly windy conditions across most of the countries. That rain comes in overnight at the northern region,
Scandinavia, before we see a showery regime crossing the country during Thursday, but this weather system is set to cross the country during Friday, bringing further bands of rain and high winds. Well, here's the first area of low pressure, which gave us the unsettled weather today. Showing up on the satellite picture is a great area of cloud, and that's been giving us some heavy rain over many southern parts of England and Wales during the last few hours. Now that rain will continue to move eastwards across southern parts during the next 12 hours, not clearing the extreme southeast though until early tomorrow morning. Elsewhere we'll see a rash of showers over Northern Ireland and Scotland, of sleet or snow over the high ground where we will see blizzard conditions. Some showers too coming into parts of Wales and the southwest later on. A much cooler night than of late, particularly in the north where we will see frost, temperatures as low as -2 degrees, giving icy patches on many roads. Tomorrow it looks as though that rain clearing away from southeastern parts of England quite quickly, and then for many central and eastern parts of England and Scotland, dry and bright to start off with. But the showers already in western England, Wales and Northern Ireland and Scotland will move quite quickly eastwards in those strong winds, and we're likely to see